So, for my National Weather Service area, there were a couple of severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. Going for Freeport and Steel, there's only one ever update on this storm, and it was canceled. Moved on the area, one area, and then there was a tornado warning for Dakota Goodhue Pier, so it's a rolling wash around 535, those are around 555, and there was update on rolling wash 535, those are around 555, and then it was canceled at 5:42 p.m. A weekend blow surveillance, a weekend Red Wing and Welsh, between Red Wing and Welsh, there's a Welsh, Red Wing, Washington, and right. There's one through the areas a weekend right then. There's no tornado warning, no tornado. And then there was a tornado warning for Dunn County, for the one in Pepin County. That storm issued a tornado warning this storm. Menominee 540, Oakmont at 550, Equifax around 555, Cedar Falls, Hoffman Hills, Rickery, Huntsville, Tiernick, and Menominee Airport. And it also includes Interstate 84 in Wisconsin, average 43 and 55. And then the 6th, it was going to Colfax at 5:55 p.m. It was east of Menominee, moving northeast of Frameweather. Colfax at 5:55 p.m. And then there are some storms that are coming my way. They're not in my National Weather Service office area yet, but they're coming toward the area. Winneshiek in northeastern Iowa, Winona in southeastern Minnesota, Wabasha in southeastern Minnesota, western Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, and eastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota. They're extending line from your Orinoco to near Dover to your Preston near Jericho. In Iowa, moving northeast at Cindy Hauser, and West Panisa is Hale. And there's Preston, St. Charles, Plainview, Elgin, Harmony, and Lanesboro around 5:55 p.m. 6 is Lewiston, Altura, Canton, Ridgeway, Wabasha, Alma, Rushford, Buffalo City, Stockton, and Rolling Stone, Kellogg at 6:05. And there's a tornado for northwestern Winona County, southeastern Minnesota until 6:30 p.m. At 6:05 p.m. It was located near Altura, the line of storms. 13 miles west of Winona, moving east of 60 miles there. The hazardous storm and its radar indicated rotation. And it's going to be near Rolling and Altura around 6:10 p.m. Winona and Goodview around 6:15 p.m. And it includes Lockendam 5, Lockendam 5A, Whitman, Clear Road, Swain 3, Minnesota City, Tisa, and Bethany. And Pepin southeastern Pierce, and Dunn County until 6:05 p.m. Series Arsenal is located over Plum City, or 20 miles southwest of Mem, with northeast at 55 miles there. And the location impacted include Menominee, Durant, Colfax, Elkmont, Pepin, Elmwood, O'Galley, Plum City, Bay City, Stockholm, Weston, Rock Falls. Includes Interstate 94 in Wisconsin between mile markers 37 and 56.